Guys, this is Augustina with the News Chronicle, and just to bring you an update about the recent happenings in the entertainment world. Over the weekend, we have Priscilla Ojo tied the knots with her Tanzanian lover, and it was a lovely ceremony in Tanzania. According to sources, we have 5 more celebrations to go, and we wish the couple, happy marriage, all the best in their marriage. Also, Portable sister Gbemisola speculated or said that Portable is suffering from a curse, a spell or something. Hence the reason he's, always in the news for bad stuff and all that. So today we have gospel singer Paul Nwakocha. I know a lot of you might have seen or heard, but just to bring you like the the icing on the cake. So according to news, his second marriage has crashed, and this is due to a lot of reasons that you're going to see. So first of all, the marriage started. They got married in September 2023. That's when he got married to his second wife. His first marriage crashed. So according to family sources, the woman, that's the wife, Goodness, has been suffering maltreatment from the husband, that is Paul. And Paul, reacting to the news, said that his wife has been sending nude pictures of herself to men online. That's why the marriage crashed. So, others are saying, oh no, it's because of the maltreatment, while the husband is saying that no, it's not because of that. So it's because the wife has been sending nude pictures of herself to men online, and he did not marry a whore, he married a wife, and that is why he cannot take this and the marriage has to end. So these and many more